Welcome to a beautifully designed apartment in the heart of Queens, NY. This charming one-bedroom, one-bath residence perfectly blends warmth, comfort, and modern convenience. The kitchen boasts sleek stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, and offers both style and functionality for any home cook. The living area features a generous footprint with plenty of room for comfortable seating and dining, enhanced by high ceilings that elevate the sense of space. The bedroom is cozy and well-appointed, highlighted by beautiful wooden floors that add a touch of character and warmth. Nestled in a quiet, welcoming neighborhood, this home provides a serene retreat from city life while keeping you close to everything Queens has to offer. Don't miss this opportunity to make this delightful apartment your new home, a place where comfort, charm, and efficient design come together seamlessly.